NidoDulce TC06 K Installation and Usage Video. Open the package and check the accessories. Please contact customer service promptly if any items are missing or damaged. 1. Installation of casters. Tilt the crib and set it on the floor. Fit the casters into the stand tubes of the crib one by one. Stand the crib upright after installing all casters. Grip the short sides and extend the crib into place. Press the crib posts all the way down. Press down the casters to engage the brakes. Lift up the casters to release the brakes. 2. Installation of the bunk bed. Take out the pipe parts. Pipe fittings with reduced or flat ends are grouped together. Fit each pipe into its fabric sleeve individually. Join flat end and reduced end pipe fittings together by insertion. Install the remaining tubes. Pipe assembly completed. Then take out the mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the crib. The bunk bed is now installed. 3. Shelf installation. Take out the shelf. 2 plastic hooks on the shelf, stuck on the short armrest of the crib. Shelf assembly finished. 4. Installation of diaper changing table. Take out the changing table. Flip the changing table to its back side. Splice the 2 short tubes together inside the fabric cover. The spring pin at the pipe joint pops out to indicate proper installation. Splicing the other end of the pipe fitting. Flip the changing table back to its front side. The buckles on both sides of the changing table, stuck on the long handrail. Finally, zip up the side zipper to the matching zipper on the bed frame. The diaper changing table installation is complete. 5. Toy rack installation. Take out the toy rack components. First, hang the toy lanyards on the tripod. Take out the bottom support. Insert the middle support into the bottom connector. Then insert the upper support into the middle connector. Hang the musical bell on the end of the upper support. Finally, hang the tripod under the musical bell. Clip the longer end of the toy rack base inward onto the handrail. Wind up the spring. Then it will play music and spin the dolls. Swipe the shrapnel up or down to play or pause music. The toy rack installation is finished. 6. Bedside crib functions. First, tear open the Velcro inside the bed. Press the buttons at the same time to shift down. The height of this crib guardrail is adjustable in 3 levels. Press and hold the adjustment button. Use force to lift up to the original position. Then stick the Velcro on both sides together. Take out the fixing strap. Insert the end of the fixing strap into the buckle. Connect to the buckle on the short side leg tube. Then install the other fixing strap. Finally, wrap the fixing strap around the adult bed frame. The bedside crib function setup is complete. 7. Playpen functions. Tear open the Velcro on the left inside the bed. Unzip the zipper all around the bed. Take out the cloth cover. Then lay the mattress flat on the bottom of the crib. Open the side bed rails. Fasten the mattress Velcro strips firmly to the bed base. The introduction of the baby crib functions is complete. Thank you for watching.